What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about making your bots better. And what I mean by that is looking at your first iteration of the bots and figuring out how conversations are flowing. Now, in the Drift app, this can be a little bit harder to see at a high level because you have to go into each of the conversations individually, but there is this huge Easter egg in the Drift app that allows for you to export these contacts, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So when you go ahead and you jump into the Drift app, you'll go to Playbooks, and what you're going to want to do is go through and choose the playbook that you want to dig a little bit deeper in. Now, the reason behind digging into these could vary. It could be improving the bot, like I mentioned earlier, but it could also be that you ask some survey questions and you want to export all of that data into a spreadsheet. When you go into your bot, you'll see you have your overall reporting, and it's going to show you what your statistics are. The statistics really aren't working really well in this case for this bot, and what I'm looking to do is improve the conversations. So in order to improve the conversations, we have to have some visibility into those conversations, and this is how you would do it. So you go ahead and you click People, and what you'll see is a list of all the conversations that are there. And you can click this link that says send me an email of all bot conversations, and magically you're going to receive an email just like this. It can take a couple minutes, but once you get it, it's going to show you the CSV of all of the conversations, and then how that would look is like this in a spreadsheet. Now what you can do obviously is you can sort, you can cut out ones that don't necessarily work. So if we scroll down, you can see that there's a lot of blanks here from people that just didn't engage with the bot. But the beauty is in some of these other selections. So you'll notice, because I do a lot of these videos, that we have a lot of people that are just testing out our bot. So as we're going into that flow, that might be a really great way of taking someone down a path to ask them about other questions they would like to know about. But you can start to see at a high level all of the different conversations that are going on, and you can take those conversations and you can leverage them into better marketing copy for the rest of your website, or even just improve the bot's experience overall. So tell me how you're going to use this in the comments. I'd love to see how people iterate on their chatbots. But if you have any questions about this or conversational marketing, go ahead and reach out to me on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. If you'd like to see other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And of course, if you'd like to subscribe to our daily videos, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.